Hi everyone, today is folding a fitted sheet. So place the fitted sheet top two corners on your ironing board or your bench. Take the bottom part of the fitted sheet and tuck it inside out, getting those far two corners. So once you've got them comfortable, I place one down and place one into the top corner on the opposite side. And so now I've got both the corners lined up from top to bottom, folded in half. Then I take the far side and put it inside the opposite side, so all the corners are now matched up. So trying to shake it out so it makes it easier for ironing. You want all the edges and elasticated section just on the inside. Trying to minimize the wrinkles, fold it down at the top. Whoop, you want to fold it by thirds, fold it again, flip it over, fold it in half. Voila!